welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious carne ranchera encebollada that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing carne ranchera encebollada. These are my ingredients. I have salsa Maggi, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, flat meat, ranchera meat, 2 onions, 1 bell pepper. This is everything you need to enjoy an amazing and delicious carne encebollada. So let's get started. To make this delicious carne ranchera encebollada, we are going to be using 2 onions. Of course, you could use more, but let me tell you, 2 onions is just perfect. And if you love onion like I do, you're going to love this recipe. But here I'm just taking the skin off of the onions, and then I'm ready to just slice away. Let me tell you, this carne ranchera is very traditional, and it's a recipe that is very easy to prepare. We're going to slice the onions, pull them apart, put them in a plate, and then we're going to continue with the bell pepper. We're doing the same with the bell pepper, cutting it, making sure that we don't get none of the seeds, and then we're just going to slice away so that they are almost the same size of the onion. Let me tell you, when you make this amazing recipe, you're really going to love it. If you love onion, like I said, you're going to love this recipe. Once you pull it aside, continue by adding it here to the same plate. Look at this. I have the veggies ready. Here I have the carne ranchera, the flat meat, and I am going to just slice nice and thin. You want the meat to be really nice and thin so that it really incorporates into the onion and bell pepper. The combination of these 2 veggies are going to really give the meat such a delicious flavor. Half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt is to taste. And here I'm just mixing away, making sure that everything is coated. And once it's coated, let me show you the ingredients. Maggi seasoning, the onion, the bell pepper, and the meat. Let's go to the stove. On the stove, on the pan, I have about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to start cooking the meat in medium-high heat. This is going to take about 5 minutes. You really want to make sure that they start browning, and it all depends how browning or how crispy you want your carne ranchera. Once it starts turning nice and brown, it takes 5 more minutes, and then it's going to get nice and crispy, just like this. When it's nice and getting nice and golden brown, I am ready to remove. And all those drippings that are on the bottom of the pan, I'm going to add the onion and the bell pepper. And these are going to collect all those drippings, everything that is on the bottom of the pan. I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then I'm just going to incorporate, making sure that we season the onion and the bell pepper so that they really have an amazing flavor. We're not going to overcook the onion or the bell peppers. We're only going to cook them for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're ready to introduce the crispy and delicious carne ranchera. Look at this. This looks amazing, and my home smells just delicious. Of course, how can you enjoy this amazing and delicious carne ranchera encebollada. We're going to add a little bit of the salsa Maggi. I would say 1 tablespoon. We're going to mix it really well and do not omit it because this seasoning gives such a delicious flavor to this recipe. Once everything is nice and cooked, nice and incorporated, then I am ready to start warming up my tortillas. And like you all know, I love cheese, so I'm going to add a little bit of cheese in here. It's mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, and I'm ready to make my tacos. Like, subscribe, and share if you liked and loved this amazing carne ranchera encebollada. Look at this. This comes out delicious every time. Very easy to prepare and very few ingredients. But let me tell you, these tacos really come out delicious and amazing. And I am ready to enjoy these amazing tacos de carne ranchera encebollada. I'll see you in a bit. Come with me. Let's enjoy these amazing tacos de carne asada encebollados. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing tacos de carne asada encebollados. Let me tell you, the meat is so tender and with lots of flavor. The onion and bell pepper gave this taco a delicious flavor. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing tacos de carne asada encebollada. See you soon. Bye-bye.